Hello everybody, we're glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can unblock someone on Twitter. So, tap on your profile picture at the top left corner of the screen, then go into, first of all, open the Settings and Support menu, then go for Settings and Privacy page. Over here, enter the Privacy and Safety category, then go for the Mute and Block section over here, open the List of Blocked Accounts, and just, tap on the blocked button over there, and like so, the said Twitter account was successfully unblocked. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.